Today's post will be a little different. I'm going to cover a couple of things. The two main things I'm going to talk about today are my multi-planner setup and my plans for Plan to Scrap for 2019 going forward. My main planner is still a Carpe Diem A5. It kind of acts as my central repository for everything, any event or a deadline that I have going on that day. It's too big for me to carry with me every day because my everyday carry purse is kind of almost clutch sized. So I just use this as a central area where I can put everything, and it helps me kind of keep track of whether I've got too much going on a single day or not. The newest addition to my planner lineup is a passport-sized traveler's notebook from Prima. I mostly use this for work. In the monthly section, I'll put any kind of deadline or scheduled event, doctor's appointments, meetings, things like that. The weekly helps me sort out my work week mostly. Then I have a project section that I use for my work projects. Most of the time, I do put a couple of personal projects in there sometimes. And then the fourth section, because the Prima Traveler's Notebook has 4 straps, the fourth one I use for just general wisdom things, different things that the universe has decided that I need to be reminded about. And this is my blog planner. It is very much a Franken planner. The cover is a Happy Planner Mini, and the inserts, most of them are Happy Planner inserts. Some of them are DIY inserts. I just printed out some paper landscape with lines across it that I use as notebook paper. And the rings are from a tool notebook that my husband purchased and didn't need the rings. He needed the larger rings, so he took the smaller ones off and gave them to me. This planner stays at home and acts as my after-work planner. I use it to lay out my blog and YouTube and social media schedule, and sometimes I add in the household chores that need to be done that day. The overview goes in the A5, and it helps me spot conflicts when I try to put too much in one day. The other two provide detail where I need it. Like, I don't need my blog editing schedule when I'm in the office, so I just leave that little planner at home. And I don't need my office to-do list when I'm at home, but I do need my appointment schedule wherever I am, so I keep that in my traveler's notebook, as well as the Carpe Diem A5. As you can see, I'm going to change the posting schedule in the first quarter. I'm going to add in a few Wednesday videos to see how they perform, and I'm still going to keep 2 every Monday at 7:30 a.m. Central Time. I'm also going to add 1 video a month to my Instagram feed. Right now, that's where I'm getting most of my engagement, so I'm just curious to see how that will perform. As far as my personal crafting plans for 2018, budgetary focus will be on organization of supplies, not so much spent on new supplies. The idea here is just to consume what I have. And I'm going to be looking into some storage solutions that will make it easy to see what I have, kind of help me pack my supplies into a small space, and are budget friendly. My crafting focus for 2019 is going to be on getting the remainder of 2018 scrapped, getting a stash of handcrafted cards created for a variety of different events and occasions so that I'm not scrambling at the last couple of minutes to try to get a card put together for somebody, and exploring planner solutions to help me kind of stay on top of a full-time job and family and 2 different blogs with YouTube channels and Instagram accounts and all that kind of stuff. So thank you for joining me today. This is kind of an unusual YouTube video. I hope that if you're looking for solutions for these kind of problems, you saw something that inspired you. If you did, please hit that like button and leave me a comment below. If you're looking for information about the supplies used in this video, go ahead and check out the blog post, which I will link to below. And see you next week.